He left for Tesla in 2017 to run computer vision for autopilot. He then came back to OpenAI in 2023. He left again in 2024 to build Eureka Labs, an AI education startup. This week, he announced his next move. He has joined Anthropic. He will work on the pre-training team under team lead Nick Josephs, responsible for the large-scale training runs that give Claude its core knowledge and capabilities. So Eureka Labs, as of right now, is paused. The frontier, he says, is calling. Karpathy will start a new team focused on using Claude itself to accelerate pre-training research, AI being used to build better AI. That is, of course, a specific technical argument about where the gains in frontier model development now actually come from. OpenAI's identity has been built around scale, more compute, large runs, more power. Karpathy's expertise actually resides elsewhere. His reputation was built on clean data curation, smarter datasets, and the principle that the quality of what goes into a training run matters more than the raw size of the run. His presence on Anthropic's pre-training team is, well, not just a hiring announcement. It, I believe, is Anthropic making a public statement about which theory of AI development it is going to bet on. The pattern underneath the Karpathy announcement is actually the more instructive story. CTOs of billion-dollar companies have been leaving their positions to take individual contributor roles at Anthropic, not to lead divisions but to do research. The Workday CTO, the Instagram CTO, the Box CTO, the U.com CTO, all have taken members of technical staff positions in the last 12 months. John Schulman, who's OpenAI co-founder, has made the same move in 2024. Karpathy now follows. So when the people who understand this technology with the most depth keep arriving at the same destination, definitely that is worth paying attention to. So in 2024, Anthropic was valued at $380 billion. It is now closing in on $900 billion as a valuation with an ARR of $44 billion. And here, of course, is the front page take. The Musk versus Altman trial concluded the day before Karpathy's announcement, with the jury ruling in Altman's favor. Karpathy's response to that outcome was to sign with Anthropic. The timing was his own. For Eureka Labs, the AI education startup he founded in 2024, yes. Karpathy says he remains deeply passionate about the mission and plans to return to it. Right now, the pre-training engine room at Anthropic is where he's actually chosen to be. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the EIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think EIM.